IG work. Oh. Oh, it full did. Oh, that's amazing. All right. Let's see. Shit, that's crazy. I think this is lagging my shit up, but it's all right. Rahul, hello. You guys ready? I haven't streamed on Instagram in a while, so we're about to see how this works. Yo, Tibbo, what's up? You tried Cerebrus? How was it? This okay. How does this look on the gram? Wait. This is the wrong scene. Yo, Mr. Not Dash. What's up? What's up? Not much, man. We're gonna be trying a whole bunch of new AI stuff once I get the layout of this stream correct. Okay, here. I think if I do this, let's see. Can we see it? Can we see? Can we see me? Can we see me? Damn, it feels like the Instagram thing is a bit behind. We'll find out soon. For sure. Okay. Okay. Flinch, what's up? Is that Drake? Yo, Pavan, bonsoir, what's up? Okay, so this stream, we're doing like a vertical format here as well, because we couldn't, like, I can't stream horizontally on Instagram, and we're on Instagram for the first time. Actually, I could put the chat here. And it looks like we have a lot of people on Instagram, which is amazing. So shout out to everyone on Insta. Oh no, I'm actually kind of to the side. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Okay, so it's half. I'm gonna have to move here, it seems. Sorry guys, I'm just figuring out how to even stream on Instagram. It's a whole pain, but at least it kind of works. Am I on YouTube? Yes. If you want to see like the full HD experience, I normally do it. I think the best experience is on YouTube. Do I have access to cosine? No, I don't have access to cosine. Unfortunately. Okay, a bit more to the right. Let me just now I gotta fix up TikTok, unfortunately. But that shouldn't be too long. I mean, that shouldn't be too much of an issue. Okay. That should be good. Nice. Shout out bonsoir, Panswan. Shout out everyone. Alright. I think we can start pretty soon. Okay. The snapping is off, but that's fine. Alright, so I got a bunch of emails about some new stuff that's happening. Yo, Flash, what's up? First was this Google thing. I forgot what the name is exactly, but I'm about to pull it up right now so we can see it.
Your account is one of the best on TikTok. Thank you for all your research and sharing.
Oh, thank you.
So what did the chat decide about TTS?
I think most of the chat likes TTS. I'm gonna have it on when I'm not showing something, but when I'm showing and like explaining stuff, I'm going to turn it off. So that's gonna be pretty soon. All right, so this, oh my god, it's so hard to kind of get this in portrait view.
The best ever.
Stefanos, thank you. I got this email from Google. It's your turn to try Illuminate. Now, I'm not sure if this is public for everyone or it's just me especially. I did sign up to the wait list for this. So yeah, if you don't remember, I doubt you remember. No one's really covered this. What Illuminate is, it's Google's tool that can turn any academic paper on archive into an engaging audio conversation, which is pretty funny. I've seen like another startup have this idea before, where they take like, I think it was articles. Oh yeah, it was Recast. So I've previously did a thing with Recast. This recast.ai. This is a free Chrome extension that you can paste any article into, and it turns it into a podcast, and it's really nice audio as well. So Google's come out with their pretty much own thing as well, but I guess theirs is about
Hello, I'm new
academic
here.
papers. Yo, Dev Shah, welcome. So yeah, let's try it out. Come to Illuminate. Experimental technology. Keep me updated. Sure. Okay, so they have some public papers that they've already generated. So we can just kind of get a preview of what the voices sound like. And I'm sure if you've interested in machine learning at all, you've heard of Attention is All You Need. This is pretty much the OG paper about transformers, which is like the kind of the architecture that kind of changed everything when it comes to AI. Oh, Mr. Dash said they actually signed up for the waitlist. Oh, so it's not public. Okay, interesting. So yeah, let's play it and have a listen to what
Hi.
the audio sounds like. Yo, Radix, thanks for making it. What's up, man?
Let's unpack a paper titled Attention is All You Need.
Oh, that sounds really
What's
good.
the core idea here?
Well,
Can
the big
you
idea
guys
in
hear
this
that?
paper is that we can build a really effective sequence transduction model without using recurrence or convolutions, the usual suspects, right? And instead just
You
rely
are
on
the chosen
attention
one.
mechanisms. The paper shows that in the context of machine translation, this new approach not only performs better than RNNs, but also trains faster.
That's really, really natural sounding voice. Yo, shout out to all the subs.
That's super interesting, especially considering the time this paper was published. It's from 2017, right? What was the state of sequence models back then?
Exactly, 2017. Back then, everyone was all about RNNs, recurrent neural networks, think LSTMs, and GRUs. These
I too have
models were the
access to
top
it.
dogs for
That
tasks
sounds
like
hurts.
language translation and tech.
Sound hurts? Is it too loud? Which sound? The notification? I'll turn it down. It's a bit low for me, but I think we got
The
different.
Windows boot.
The Windows sound. Oh, okay, okay. Hold on, I might be able to. I can't really turn that one down individually. They'll stop soon, hopefully. Maybe not. Hold on. I think I can mute these.
You.
Hold on, let me see. I think it's this. Let's see. Maybe if I just hide it for now. Okay. All right. Yo, Fat Cat, what's up?
Totally
So
up to you if it pleases the people.
there's fireworks outside. I don't think anyone really enjoys listening to the alert. It's more just for me to kind of know when someone subbed. But when it's at the start of the stream, it's like not live people. It's people that have like subbed before, so it's not that important. Yo, Kang, thank you for the likes. Mr. Dash says the public ones are available, but I don't have the
think
option
people registered on
to
Google
generate
Labs can
my
access
own.
this.
Oh, really? Kang, thank you for all the likes. Let me see. Okay, so Mr. Dash is saying we can't generate our own. I'm gonna see. Okay, no, looks like we can. Maybe I can, but public can't. Generate a conversation, so we can either search for a topic or paste a URL. And we have 5 generations a day. Oh, you guys probably can't see that. 5 generations per day. So that's pretty cool. Let me think. Anyone have any any papers they like on archive? Um, there was that science AI.
Welcome to TechFriend Super Member.
Oh, Bazooka! Thank you so much. Oh, sorry, I turned off alert, so I didn't get the perfect alert. But luckily, oh no, we did get it. Okay, so we got the sound, but not the actual. No. Right, there we go. Bazooka, super member on YouTube. Thank you so much. Hey, you
The
got the
random
click
paper
Elizabeth
from
emoji.
Mozilla AI Discord server.
No, but did you guys remember the science AI? Oh, I forgot what it was called. Suck something. This one, Sakana. Didn't they do a paper? I'd like to listen to their paper. Paper. Example paper can be viewed here.
In
Oh,
context learning with long context models, and in-depth exploration.
in context learning. Oh, you want to do that one? What about this science one? I thought this science one. Wait, is this dual scale? Oh, this isn't even the science. Okay. All right, let's do the one that Fat Cat suggested. In context learning with long context models. Okay. So I think we can just copy the PDF URL once that loads. Here we go. PDF URL. What happened to Illuminate? Okay, I have two windows here for some reason. Let me try combine these windows. Okay, that's good. All right. So we paste the PDF URL here and press plus. Oh, you can put multiple. That's interesting.
They have the papers written by Sakana somewhere on there.
Oh, they do have papers by Sakana? So is the whole thing about that AI scientist like it writes his own papers? I don't know. I haven't really properly looked into it. Anyway, I wonder what happens if you do multiple papers in one generation, because it looks like that's kind of what the UI is implying. Anyway, we'll just do this singular one, long context, and how long do you think this will take to generate? I just press the generate button. It's being
Yes,
generated.
and write
This
the
may,
experiments and test them.
yeah, and write the experiments and test them. That's the coolest part. Like having an AI scientist actually do experiments. That is crazy. Okay, audio is being generated. This may take a few minutes. That's pretty good. Drafts expire after 30 days. Okay, while that's doing
Hey
that, maybe
friend,
we.
I want to make a deepfake detector that takes video/img as input and tells whether vid/img is fake or not. How can I build it? Can you share some insights? I believe they said it takes 15 minutes, but I'm not sure tbh. My guess is 3 minutes at least.
15, 3. Yeah, I was thinking at least 3. Oh, thanks for the follow. Damn, I can't read that text. SPD. Dev. That is a machine learning thing, which I'm not really that good at. But I think GAN models, they kind of have the adversarial network. So
Hi
they kind
guys,
of like
what we up to today?
when we're
Is
building
that
it.
something like this tool will make audio summary of the paper or something?
That's exactly right, Camille, but not really a summary. It's actually like a podcast, so you can listen to as if two people were discussing the paper. And yeah, I think that was less than 3 minutes. That was pretty good. A few minutes. In context learning with deep context models and in-depth exploration. Let's hear what they have to say. It's a 5-minute podcast now. Taking a little while to load up.
This paper, In Context Learning with Long Context Models, and In-Depth Exploration, delves into the fascinating world of in-context learning, ICL, with models capable of handling extremely long contexts. What are the key takeaways from this research?
The paper highlights the surprising effectiveness of ICL when provided with large sets of demonstrations, even exceeding the performance of parameter efficient fine tuning in some cases. It also reveals interesting properties of ICL in this long context regime, such as reduced dependence on example selection and a lessened sensitivity to example order.
That's quite intriguing. Can you elaborate on the significance of these findings?
Traditionally, ICL has been limited by the context length of models. However, with the advent
It's pretty damn good. Like, the audio quality is really good. The actual substance is kind of boring, but I guess, like, how fun are you gonna make a paper? And when it comes to actually reading a paper versus listening to a podcast, I'd much prefer this podcast format. I think this is pretty good. Like, I don't really like reading papers, but I could definitely listen to a podcast on them. ML is more than just large language models, yeah. For sure. Yeah, this is pretty sick. I mean, there's also like an opportunity here to make like a YouTube channel, right? That just plays these podcasts with like AI generated avatars. That'd be pretty cool. Can you download these? Oh, you can't download them though. Maybe if you inspect source, let's see. Let's see if we can find the actual like MP3. Anyone know how to potentially find the source of this? If I refresh, there's like a way. Oh, network. Yeah, I think network. Image media. All right, let's see. Play. Probably streaming it though. Hey?
This paper, In Context Learning with Long Context Models, an in-depth exploration, delves into the fascinating world of in-context learning, ICL. This paper models capable of
we did it, bro. I hacked it, and you can download the we got the MP3, and then you can just upload it to YouTube.
This paper, In Context Learning with Long Context Models,
Hacker,
an in-depth exploration.
Try pressing save to library.
Into the fascinating world of in-context learning, ICL, with models capable of handling.
I'll go and test it. The only thing, Camille, is I'm not sure if it's public. Will you list all the tools used today later in the description when you upload the video? Great question. Yes. I try to, Little Jew, thanks for the follow. I try to put them on the timestamps for the video, though sometimes I get lazy. But yes, I try to. Thank you, Joe. Yo, Benson, what's up? What's up? That's pretty sick. Definitely lots of opportunities there. Okay, so that was Illuminate by Google. It's pretty good. I'd give it, I don't know, I don't really rate things, I guess, but maybe we should start. I give this a solid 7 out of 10 on coolness. TechFren rating. Alright, let's move on to the next thing in my agenda. Blackbox replicate. Okay, I got this email as well. Let me not dox my other emails while I search for it. Okay, here it is. What's the pricing? How's the free tier? I think it's just an experiment. There's no way to pay.
The duration of audio?
There's no way to pay. I don't think you can decide the duration of audio.
I thought you were talking about running Sakana earlier. Have you tried it?
I haven't tried running Sakana either. Okay. So I got this email.
It's just free, if you can access it.
Yeah, it's on a wait list. So if you go, I think just search like Google Illuminate. Illuminate.google.com. It's an experiment. It's free.
Sorry, I forgot to join our call last week.
Yo, D, no worries. I'm pretty sure I sent you a reschedule request. Yeah, if you go to illuminate.google.com, you'll probably see a button to sign up to the waitlist. I signed up a while ago and I only got access like yesterday. Yeah. Anyway, next thing. Replicate by Blackbox. I'm sure you guys seen. I did Robocoder's review a while ago. It's by the Blackbox team. Now they make this claim here, and I really doubt this claim. This is like such an impossible claim. They say you can upload a screenshot of any website and replicate its design with 100% accuracy. That is such a bold claim that I'm calling cap. There is no way There is no way they can make that number. 100% accuracy is like so cap. But let's try it. Anyone have any websites we should replicate? Front end only? Yeah, probably front end only. But wow, they have all these different frameworks you can generate it in, but the default's HTML and Tailwind, so we're just gonna do that. And try techfren.net. Yeah, that's a great question. That's a great way. See, this is why it's also impossible, because like techfren.net is a dynamic website, so how is it gonna know like about the animations and shit? That's why like 100% is a bold claim. But one prompt, yeah, well, like no prompt, you just copy and paste the image. DevShah says, I don't like copying and pasting, especially for backend. Makes me believe that I'm a noob coder. But what can we do in the world of tab? Yeah, I don't know. Well, let's just try it. I'm going to copy my site, techfren.net. It's relatively basic, but it's like you need to know the icons for the socials. Other than that, it's kind of basic. Let me just save it into downloads. All right, and then we're going to upload it. Okay. And off it goes. Generating code. Let's see how it goes. Error. You exceeded your OpenAI quota. I'm not even logged in. Oh, am I? No. Alright, let me log in. Maybe it'll give me some credits or whatever. When did I add levels? Last stream. I'm not sure if you can do slash levels. Try exclamation mark level. Maybe. You inspected my code and planning to make your own? Nice, Biv up. I used GPT Engineer to make the original, and then I used Aether to make the rest. But you can probably do it in V0, in WebSim, in yeah, any of the coding tools will probably do it. Oh, you don't get the level. Oh, there you go. Nice. Yeah, so Botrix is getting points and levels, but I don't think there's much you can do with the points yet. But hopefully later I'll be like, you can purchase text-to-speech and stuff. That's my goal. I don't know if it'll work. Alright, we're generating. Let's see. Oh no, still. Alright, looks like I need to add credit somehow. Let's see if I can figure that out. Yeah, I don't see anywhere I can add credit. 404 by Vercel on the account page. Okay, here we go. What the hell is this? Sign in to manage your subscription. Bro, I was literally just signed in. Guess this is a different domain. Account draining app? What is that? All right, account draining. Like this is an account draining app. I see. Yo, Pawan, welcome. Shit, we almost have 20 people on YouTube. That's great. I should put the hold on. I should put the YouTube stuff. Why is this taking so long for me to load? I should put the YouTube stuff in the middle on this. Can I? Probably do Twitch, TikTok. Okay. All right, no, I'm gonna call this broken, and you know, I really doubt they were able to do. Able to do 100% anyway. All right, let's move on to 10webs update. Okay. So let me find that email. I might do this off screen. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. We'll try it. Okay. Okay, can we see this relatively well on? Okay, so 10web. If you don't mind, make the chat a little bit bigger. Sure. There's so much room for it now. I can definitely do that. Here we go. Maybe off topic, but do we have any idea how I can make my friend as a hobbit that smokes from a wooden pipe with Gandalf with a taste something like Stable Diffusion? Yeah, so if you want to do it locally, I think you need something called Instant ID, something like that, that keeps the face with comfy UI and stuff. I gotta move the YouTube stuff. Otherwise, I mean, I just listened to the podcast with Levels.io. If you want to just use something that's online, there's Photo AI. I think Photo AI is like. Actually, I've never used it. Let's quickly search it. Photo AI, is it .com? Yeah, photoai.com. This is made by a solo developer, Levels.io. I'm pretty sure you can upload like a selfie and then generate different images with a prompt probably. So I'm pretty sure like you upload a photo of your friend and then you give it the prompt Hobbit smokes out of a pipe with Gandalf. And it should be able to do that, I think. But it's not free. I think you have to pay somewhat. I'm not sure how much, but yeah. Oh, here we go. The pricing was at the bottom. $9 per month plus 6 months free, billed annually. Oh no, you can get $19 for 1 month. But yeah, they got different pricing plans. Okay. So, all right, 10web. Let me give y'all an introduction to 10web. Flash says there's a website called FaceSwap as well. Bazooka says run it through MS Paint. Yeah. FaceSwap gives you 6 free credits. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so 10web is something I covered before. It's, I think, like if you want a serious website with like a CMS, like a WordPress CMS, I think 10web is the best like AI text to website creator for like serious businesses that want like a WordPress CMS. Yeah. And they just released a new update where they like generate sections and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna test that out right now. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, create a new website with AI. Our AI tool will generate tailored content and images. Let's have a look. Oh shit, I missed so many Instagram things. I wasn't scrolling down. My bad, guys. Is there any AI model that can view your GitHub repository? Yes. Sorry, Manaf. I'm not sure if you're still here. My bad, guys. I thought the Instagram chat would be scrolling automatically, but it isn't. Robocoder's AI is like a free tool that just released their chat with GitHub repository repo agent. It's kind of buggy, but yeah, I'm sure there's other ones. I can't remember what the other ones are though, but yeah, try robocoders.ai. If you're still here, Manaf, I'm sorry. I'm sure you sent that ages ago. Shout out Tabadoo. Sorry, guys. Shivanash wants beginner AI ML projects. I'm not sure. I don't have a good answer for that. Well, these was ages ago. Hey. Any idea how to generate a video for the audio? Yeah. There will be probably a lot of maybe not from the audio, but if like there's a lot of like text to video, like Kling AI. I think Luma Labs or ITX Luma Labs would probably be the best for this situation. So if I was to make like a faceless YouTube channel with the paper reading, I think maybe I'd use Luma Labs. I think they make the longest kind of videos. I think. I don't know. I'm not too sure about that. Yo, Rash, thank you for the comment. Sorry I missed it before. Let me just scrolling down. Abhishek, what's up? Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sure what you asked. I was late to. Furar says, I've been building a SaaS app, Swifter.io, and for some reason, I can see you reviewing it in the future. Awesome, man. That is what I do. I do review software. So if it comes by my radar and I think it's interesting, I will review it. Okay, only just got to the end of the Instagram stream. Sorry for everyone that message I missed, but yeah, I'm sure I'll be on top of it now. Okay, going back to 10web. Let's start creating your website with AI. Answer a few questions and our AI will generalize a personalized website with tailored content. I kind of did this before, but let's do it again. Let's create a digital agency, like an AI automation agency. So yeah, I want to create an informational website. Select the type of your business. I think they had agency here, right? Well, there's so many. Let's type agency. Digital agent. Oh, it was there. Here we go. Digital agency. Enter your company name. AI business automation agency. It's a long name. Business automation information agency. We help businesses automate their processes with advanced software and AI. Enhance my description. Nice. Do you own a domain? We'll just say yes for now. Catchy name. Thank you. That's sure that was sarcastic. Okay, yeah, so this is the new feature here. You can see it's like kind of creating a sitemap with all the sections it thinks we need. And like, so we got the home page. How do I scroll around here? Maybe I have to wait for it to load. And then, yeah, you can see all the different sub pages as well. Kind of hard to keep this in a portrait view. And then I think we can press customize. Sitemap modification is only available on desktop. Okay, I think it's because I got my screen small. How about we press now? Okay, it's still too small. The hell? Copy this link. Alright, let's copy this link in a new tab. Yo, Waldorf, thank you. Interesting. I'm a no coder. I use Data Button. Oh, nice. Do you like Data Button? I tried to use it. I think, yeah, it's very expensive. Hey, which one do you recommend? Or maybe Cursor and Claude? Yeah, well, Cursor and Claude are great. I'd say like that's not obviously it's not no code because it's generating code, but you can probably get away without coding. But you might get stuck with debugging and stuff. Okay, spacebar plus left click to move around. Okay, sweet. Let's see how small can I make this without it complaining. Okay, so we see the home section. Probably do need to make this a bit bigger. Sorry, everyone on Instagram. Yeah, what stack am I using? This is an AI tool called 10web. But generally I just do like JavaScript frameworks like Next.js. Okay, so we can add pages. Looks like the pages that it created before are not there. Or we can go into the hero section and give it a prompt for each section. Hero section presents a captivating image or video background with a brief introduction text centered in the middle, highlighting the agency's focus on business automation. That sounds pretty good. About us section, services, case studies, technology. Case studies, testimonials, and success. That sounds pretty good. Technology solutions. Okay, Well, let's see if I can add some specific stuff. Oh, thanks for the follow. So I'm gonna say, like, let's say we use tools like, let's just specify some tools. What's a good AI automation tool? I don't know. I actually can't think of any good ones. Let's just say like open interpreter. Just I want to see like if this comes up in the section later. And then we can add pages. So let's like have a contact us page. Contact us. And then looks like it's going to generate subsections for each of these sections. That's pretty cool.
N8N.
N8N, yes. Oh, that's a good one. Let's add N8N. And N8N. Nice. Thanks for that, Habtamu. Okay, contact us. Let's add one more section.
Vector shift.
Vector shift? I haven't actually heard of that one. What's that? What's another section we can add? Another page, rather.
Flowwise.
Let's go like projects. I don't know. Flowwise. Yeah, that's also another good one. Voice flow? Anyone here use voice flow? I think I got an email by them. I forgot to respond to it. Okay, whatever. This is good. It says you can customize it later anyway, so how do we go next? Oh, the next button is here. Well, let me click next.
I've tried it.
You've tried voice flow? Was it good? Okay. I mean, I'm happy with it. I'm not sure why it won't let me click next. Oh, maybe it's because I'm not logged in. That's pretty cool. And then I guess it would generate the site. I think I had to be logged in.
They have a lot of money back them too, so they will keep expanding.
Voice flow? For sure. Okay. I think I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna okay.
Respell is another I recently tried.
Why would this behave? Nope, Mr. Dash hasn't used it. Maybe we gotta go. I don't have an account here. Let's see what happens. Oh, this is just for the support. Sure why I can't click next. Bam. Okay. We'll figure that out later. Let's move on. I think that was like all the like kind of updates I wanted to do. All right, this is the next. We're getting into like the crux of the stream. Last stream, and also like I posted a clip of it. Is I wanted to kind of see these tools for their autonomous debugging capabilities. Specifically, like Claude Engineer was one that said they had like the auto mode. And yeah, I think that would be so cool, because one of my gripes with like Cursor and stuff is when you get to the error stage, it's a lot of copy the error, paste it into this. Cursor does like a thing to fix the error, but then there's a new error, and then you got to copy the error and fix it into this. And it's like, it's just such an obvious thing for AI to automate. Now, Cursor does have an interpreter mode. No, I don't think that'll fix this either. But Aether also has an ability to run tests and potentially fix them. So I might try it with that. So I want to try it with clickerless cage. The issue with that is It's a Chrome extension that refreshes my whole Chrome browser every time. Hold on, let me try something. Let me try. I think like my issue is like the whole chat and everything will get wiped. But I think I can add. I think I can add like a. Oh no, what? Why doesn't this have the whole URL? Oh, there's no like live. Yeah, I feel like we'll lose the chats, which is annoying. Unless we make something new, like a new software. Oh yeah, this is me trying data button. Didn't try it because it looks like you gotta pay, but it seems like people are pretty happy with it. It seems like data button is really good for like backend, which is a pretty big gap for with a lot of these other AI tools. It seem like they're focused on mainly front end. So yeah, shout out to data button for making backend AI tools. Okay. Let me think. All right, let's just try it. I'm just gonna try it. So yeah, I mean, if you guys saw my video on the terminal, Windows terminal, I've come back around. I'm running it with Git Bash sometimes, but we're gonna actually do this one with PowerShell. Yo, Bivab, thanks for the follow, for the sub. All right, let me cd into. Let's actually. What was that? Is that a follow? Hold on.
Install new Agent Zero with the UI.
Agent Zero, yes. I think my issue with Agent Zero on this Windows is I don't have Docker, and
Smiley
I think
face.
I have to like restart my computer if I install Docker. That's my only issue. Okay. Let me try Aether running tests. So I added some tests to Clickerless Cage on a separate branch. Yo, the burrito. Raw dog? Can you raw dog Agent Zero without Docker? From memory, you couldn't. Yo, Zexade, what am I doing? So right now, I'm trying to test out this coding tool, Aether, this one, to kind of. Oh, we've got a new update. Dude, every day there's a new update. Shout out Paul. To autonomously debug, like write tests and change stuff without me pressing anything autonomously. And like, yeah. Debug. So I know there's some flags. Let me try find them. It's like, usage. No, it would be in chat commands. No, config. Here we go. There's some config to make this run autonomously, I think. Okay, so -- yes. Always say yes to every confirmation. Okay, so this is what we want for autonomously. And then there's auto test. Auto test. -- auto test. Disable, enable automatic tests. Okay, so let's try that. Aether -- yes -- auto test. See how this goes. Okay. It's running with GPT-4o. I'm not sure why. Did they change? Is the leaderboard updated? No, Sonnet's still on top. I'm not sure why by default it's running with.
What are you testing out?
An old
Aether
version.
in the terminal?
Yeah, Aether. I'm trying to use Aether to automatically debug. I'm gonna use DeepSeek Coder. It is a bit slower, but it's much cheaper. Okay. DeepSeek Coder, auto run tests. I think I can go test, and then it's like yarn test is my test command. No, test not found. No. Stop. What was my package? Oh, I'm in the wrong. That's probably why. Package.json. Let me find my test command. It is test. Okay. I was just in the wrong folder. All right, let's try that again. And I don't have any files specifically loaded in the. Should probably make this up here so you guys can see it. I don't have any files in the context, so hopefully it knows what to bring in. All right, yarn test. I'm running this with like --yes and auto run test, so I'm hoping it like automatically does everything. I don't know. We're about to find out. So yeah, we have a test set up with jest. JEST. Okay, there we go. It failed 9 tests. Based on the error message. Okay, that's pretty okay. Okay, so it's getting me to manually add the files. That is a bit annoying, but hopefully once they're added, maybe it will be a bit more autonomous. Let's see.
Did Aether write the tests for you?
Did Aether write the test for me? Good question. I might have written them with cursor. I can't remember. I think I did, but I'm sure Aether would have been able to write them fine. Yo, Ro, I'm doing well. Mr. Not Dash said, I tried running LLMs on network devices, but was unsuccessful 3.5B models. I want to learn how to fine-tune models and get something useful out of it. I have not much experience with fine-tuning, and I think like 9 times out of 10 doing like a RAG system is better than fine-tuning. Okay, looks like it's actually doing automatic testing. No. Wait, what? After making these changes, please run the tests again. But it didn't run them. Damn. Damn, should we try Claude Engineer? Hold on, let me just run these tests offline. Just to see if they're still broken. I mean off Aether, not offline. Okay, oh, there's only one failed. That's pretty good, so it fixed most of the tests.
What are your thoughts on RAG vs loading documents into the context window and using context caching?
Hold on. Thoughts on RAG versus loading into context and using context caching?
Use RAG.
I think RAG is not very effective with coding because it's like
FlyDev is better than Blackbox AI.
Because it's not like doing semantic search on code doesn't work as effectively as semantic search on like normal text. So I think loading documents into context is more effective. But it'll be more expensive. So that's kind of the trade-off. If I had a preference, I'd definitely say just loading it raw into the context. Is openui.fly.dev better than Blackbox AI? OpenUI is only for UI. Blackbox can do a whole lot more, but it's pretty broken in itself. So it's not a fair comparison. pretty much like if you want to do UI, OpenUI is probably better. For everything else, Blackbox should be better if it works, but it doesn't work a lot of the time. Okay, let's install Claude Engineer. Looks like a pretty easy install, one line install. Clone, no. Do we have to do clone? Oh no, it's Anthropic. How fast is inference on RAG? Long context queries are pretty slow. Oh, that's a good question. Honestly, I don't have a good answer. If I had to guess, I'd say it's faster. It depends on your RAG setup as well, right? But it's just like you can kind of picture it like querying a database, which is most of the time faster than trying to run inference on a full context window, I'd assume. But yeah, I'm not too sure in that answer. Yo, good morning. Hey, Henner. Yo, Nick Arthur, thank you for the comment. Orca says, how does Aether compare to Cursor? I think Aether is great because it's open source and it has a bunch of features that Cursor doesn't have, and Paul's great. But Cursor is getting better every day. Like the gap was like quite far before. I'd say Aether is definitely my favorite over Cursor, but Cursor released compose mode and that improved a lot of issues I had with like how fast you could work with it. And now they just have a whole bunch of funding. So I think Cursor is like I definitely recommend Cursor to a noob, but to a pro, maybe I'd recommend Aether because you can like start scripting Aether and like really pushing it. Like I think it's like a pretty advanced tool if you're able to like take it to the next level. But for the basic level, probably Cursor would be better. That's my opinion. Emmy Josh, hello. Where can I get a video about how to train anything LLM or LM Studio? Unfortunately, I'm not getting any training related documentation. I'm not sure. Personally, like I say this kind of often, 9 times out of 10, RAG is better than training. I don't think training is that useful for most people. So personally, I haven't really done any training at all on LLM. So yeah. Does Aether have multi-file editing? Yes, definitely. They had a better multi-file editing before Cursor did. But now Cursor's multi-file editing is pretty good. Yo, Kez, what's up? Okay, so looks like we can't really install this from pip. We have to clone it and install it, which is a bit annoying to be honest, but it is what it is. Yep, it is what it is. All right, we're installing Claude Engineer. Let's see if we can open a new tab. Opens in Bash, because I did say I have this issue with my Bash on Windows. I don't know if anyone else has this issue, but I can't no, I guess it's not that much. I can't like do forward slashes. Wait, or backslashes or something. I don't know. Something about the slashes, man. There, see? Look at this. I can't, what the hell? But if I went cd c, I don't know, man. It's so weird. Wait, okay, maybe that's just the root directory. I don't know. Whatever. Let's just try use bash. Can't remember what my issue was. Oh no, did I miss a message on opening TTS? No worries, Orca. Greetings from Germany. Hello, Oster. You face that issue too, Dash? Yeah, man. I don't know. Okay. CD Claude. Pip install requirements. It'd be cool if I could make this bottom up. Or maybe I should put my face up. That actually might be the play. Hold on. I'm moving I'm moving my face. Yeah. All right. Wait, am I missing TikTok? Oh shit. I'm missing all the TikTok messages, bro. Oh no. Bro. What the fuck? I'm sorry, guys. Yo, Eno. Is it DevOps? Not sure what you're talking about. Sorry, alright. You know what? We're bringing TikTok chat over.
This dude needs an AI agent.
Okay, we got TikTok here now. Apologies, TikTok fam. But we're here now. And it should have. We're gonna have TTS on TikTok as well. Yo, wagoned. What's up, TikTok fam?
Do you
Okay.
need to have the window open on the right for Instagram streaming?
Cause I hear Git Python and lot more.
I don't need it open to stream.
How is Cursor AI
Oh my
working
God.
out for you?
Instantly regret having TTS on. But I needed to see chat. Cursor? Oh, it's great. Cursor's very good. Very noob friendly. But what we're doing.
Sorry, I meant to say wagon.
Wagon? You mean Wagwan? We're installing Claude Engineer right now because I want to attempt to set up an autonomous debugging agent. Now I could do this with Open Interpreter too, but I wanted to do it with Aether because I think like the file editing on Aether would be superior to Open Interpreter, and I assume similar for Claude Engineer. Like these kind of specific coding agents would be better. I need an AI agent to read all the comments and reply to them. That's actually possible with this tool I'm using, but it kind of like detracts the. I don't know. What do you guys think?
I haven't heard much about Open Interpreter in ages. Is there good progress there?
If there was an AI responding to all of your comments, would you prefer that? Or I'm sure you prefer me responding. Open Interpreter, they have been making updates. They did like a local update. They're actually going to do a developer update.
To filter and remove negative social media comments.
Yeah, no, that's definitely possible. But it's just been a bit slow, unfortunately, with their updates, in my opinion. No hate to Open Interpreter. I love them. But yeah, it's just, it seems like the updates aren't as fast as we want them to be, you know what I mean? Okay, we've installed requirements. Apparently we need to set up an API key, but maybe I won't. Set up a virtual
Open
environment
Interpreter
for
is
code.
basically Skynet.
Code execution and
It can be logged somewhere, link. In Notion database, and there might be some automation with LLM in background that will just look for issues / problems / questions / etc, and it will read out loud that.
Yeah. Having the LLM read out loud the response would be interesting too. Okay, I'm gonna try skip this virtual environment stuff. I don't know if that's a good idea. Looks like Claude Engineer can't interface with an existing project. This is like the kind of way you run it is seeing like I don't know. It's saying like you kind of need to run it from.
And with that solution you could use a better AI voice than the TTS you have currently.
Yeah, the TTS on everything but the TikTok TTS is really good, but everything else is like quite poor.
Daburrito Day, you leveled up to level 1.
Congrats, Daburrito.
What are your total costs on our subscriptions, on servers or PUS?
That's a good question. I paid for Claude. I mean, I paid for Cursor this month, so that's $20. I paid for ChatGPT this month. That's another $20. I think they're the only two, honestly. I'm not really paying for anything else. And then there's like the API usage, which, I don't know, let's say that's another 20 bucks. Oh shit, I didn't mean to. Go back. Okay. Let's try run Claude Engineer from my project folder.
I tried using Claude Engineer.
No.
I found it to be
I'm
like
paying for Claude Pro and
AutoGPT.
Cursor.
I don't like the
I might
terminal
cancel Claude, though.
interface.
Claude Engineer, I found it to be like AutoGPT. You don't like Terminal? I don't mind Terminal. That's why I kind of like Aether too. As long as the actual features and performance, that's what matters to me. Yo, Tiago, thanks for the follow. You're paying for Claude Pro and Cursor. I might cancel Claude. Yeah, I mean, I don't like, honestly, I know Claude Sonnet is better, generally in a lot of cases, but like when I'm using the web UI, I think ChatGPT is good for most. Yeah, Abacus AI is great. Deburrito, if you haven't heard of that, their limits is amazing. And you get Claude Sonnet, you get all the frontier models. The only thing you don't get, and it's kind of the reason I got ChatGPT this month, was the advanced voice. I kind of really like just talking to ChatGPT through voice, like when I want to walk and stuff. Alright, looks like I can't run this from another project, so we're just going to run it from here.
Teach us how to reverse engineer.
Reverse engineer. You just keep poking things and seeing how they respond. Okay, I need an Anthropic API key. Okay. We are going to hide my screen.
What do you talk to Chat about on walks?
What do I talk to ChatGPT about?
Yeah, I need advanced voice. Do I just have to get the Pro subscription to be added to the waitlist?
No, I don't think there's any like set way to get added to the waitlist. But yeah, I think you do need Pro to try it eventually. What do I talk about ChatGPT about on my walks? Alright, let me hide my screen, guys, while I get my Anthropic API key. Why doesn't that work? Okay, looks like I have to manually do it. I talk, like, honestly, I've used ChatGPT like a therapist. I've used ChatGPT to like plan my day. I use ChatGPT to like brainstorm like tech solutions and stuff, like all just through voice. It's kind of like an interactive like research session, right?
It would be really good to refine ideas.
Do you have a Discord?
Yeah, Discord, you can link in my bio at techfren.net, techfren.net, and then there's a big Discord button.
When you pay for chat, is there unlimited prompts?
ChatGPT unlimited prompts? I don't think it's unlimited, but it's like, I've never hit the limit. I don't really use it that much though. It's definitely more than when you're not paying.
You get more prompts than Claude Pro.
Yeah, Claude is quite limited, for sure. ChatGPT 4.0 is like pretty good. I'm sure you like probably never really hit that limit, but I don't think it's like unlimited. Like if you just spam it, you probably hit a limit. Okay, we're back. Whoops, we're back on the wrong thing. Oh, also I haven't read Instagram in a while. Has anyone said anything? Hey Orca, try using Fly.io as your backend. Suggest Mr. Dash. Live on YouTube? Yes, I am on YouTube. Did you make any AI project? Yeah, a bunch. You can check my
really helped me recover from an illness with all advice and supportive chat.
Yeah. No, I think like ChatGPT as a therapist, like obviously it might not be as good as like a professional therapist, but it's still like pretty good compared to nothing. It's definitely helped me like overcome some mental things before as well. You hate Flux commercial license? True, I didn't realize I had one. Tip, you can ask ChatGPT to give you calendar files to schedule your time. Oh shit, that's pretty cool. Even though I don't have iOS, but like I'm sure there's an Android equivalent to that. Okay, let's see if Claude Engineer works this time. The hell is Tavily? Oh, that's for web search. What the fuck?
Do you know how to jailbreak GPT 4.0?
Jailbreak? Someone said in the past tense works. It's like you just say something in the past tense or something. I don't know. I haven't tried it. It's like every time there's a new jailbreak, they patch it. So I don't know. Here you go, this Tavily.
Past tense won't work for everything I tried.
Oh, it won't work? I don't know. Looks like they patched it then. I'm not sure what the latest jailbreak method is. Bro, how do we get this Tavily API key? Tavily.com. Are they gonna make me pay, bro? Probably. There's a GitHub that has all the prompts. Yeah. I don't know if they still. It's this one, but like there was Fruins 2 Black Friday. I don't know if this works. Black Friday GPT prompts. And then jailbreaks. When was this last updated? 4 months ago. Yeah, I don't know if these still work. I feel like 4 months ago everything might have gotten patched since then.
What work?
Mr. Dice says pull a manifest for an uncensored model from Olama. What do you mean?
Do you make money online?
Yeah. Bazooka says Pliny from Twitter has one, a Git with all the prompts. PLINY. Okay, API key.
What way?
Okay, we're gonna test API key. Let me try to do this off screen.
What are you doing?
Yo, I am trying to test GPT Engineer. Let's see if it works. Yes, okay. We have GPT Engineer running at least. Yeah, the TikTok TTS sounds so much better than the other ones, unfortunately. Hopefully we'll get to a stage where this is all nicely combined, because right now managing TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram is like quite annoying. Mr. Dash says if you want to use a jailbroken model, why don't you use open source? Yeah, why don't you use an uncensored model? For some reason DB wants GPT-4. Okay, so welcome to the Claude 3 Sonnet Engineer chat. Let me turn off TTS so it doesn't. With multi-agent and image support. Cool. Type exit to exit, image to include an image, auto mode to enter autonomous mode. with a specific number of iterations. Reset to reset, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's go auto mode. Entering auto mode with 25 iterations. Please provide the goal of auto mode. Sweet. Are you ever scared about someone jumping 8 SQL and messing with you Linux style? What's 8 SQL? And probably not, because I don't even know what that is. Alright. I'm gonna say go to the place of my project.
Thank you.
And run. Yo, thanks for the follow, Scarface. Run yarn test. Have I tried cursor? No, what's cursor? Until the and fix the issues until the tests work. Alright, let's see if this works. Tool used execute code. Pre-education. Thank you. You didn't tell me what SQL 8 was. The code failed with 909. Seems there was some list files. Okay, it ran an ls. Oh, it gives you the cost. That's pretty cool. We can't really see it in this view though.
Thank you, my friend.
Does the screenshot thingy work? The replicate one? No, it didn't work at all. Right now we're just trying to see automatic coding. Yeah, sorry, Tex. I was just playing with you. Yes, I have tried Cursor AI. It's one of the best AI coding tools, especially for noobs, for sure. Continue by reading the files. Okay, I can just tell that this is gonna be so expensive. It's just constantly running prompts to Claude. Let's expand this. Maybe we can see the price on the next prompt. Hey, thanks for the follow. I definitely have to change that font because I can't really read who it is. Package JSON has been read and stored in the system prompt. That's interesting. Seems like I got stuck here though. We might have run out of API credits. Oh no, here we go. It's used 26 cents so far. Yeah, that's definitely too expensive. And I'm not sure, could we use Claude Engineer with something that's not Claude? I really like the tables and the user interface though. That's really, really nice looking. Tips for earning online? I don't know, man. Deliver value. Sell stuff. Listen to the Levels.io podcast with Lex Friedman. Continuation, iteration, 8 completed. Press Control C to exit. Okay, did it finish? Okay, let's see. Thank you for providing. Let's analyze matches. However, there's a few issues. Next steps. Okay. My first impressions from this is it's overkill. It's expensive. It's beautiful. It's cool. It looks really nice. It seems to work reasonably well, but it has this issue that we kind of had with AutoGPT a while ago, that it would do a lot of planning and like recommending and consulting, but not much actual file editing and execution. Let's see if we can like go back to see kind of like the whole thing. Okay, so it started by executing import change directory and run yarn test. Okay, this is perfect. And then print the current directory. Okay, so Python was not found. Huh. Wait, is that? Hold on, let's see. I might be doing a disservice. No, okay, Python's definitely in this bash. So it seems like it's running in some kind of virtual environment where Python was not found. Why does it even need Python is actually another good question, because this project is a yarn project. So it shouldn't have even needed Python. Oh, I guess it's trying to run this. It could be because I didn't create... Oh, code execution environment, virtual. Uh-huh. Okay, no, sorry. This is my issue. I take it back. This is because I didn't create this virtual environment. So let's just quit this. I'm gonna... 20 cents down the drain, that's fine. I'm gonna create the virtual environment. Bastard said, wouldn't it be easier for let the user to input the site's URL, then go to the site and try to read out as much as it can? And then copy and paste it to the first site the URL comes to, not what the site's called. I'm not sure what you're on about. Yo, Hashim, what's up? We're trying this tool, Claude Engineer. It has an autonomous mode where you just give it a goal and it hopefully does all the coding and stuff to do that goal. It needed me to create a virtual environment, which I skipped, so we're just gonna quickly do that. Here, where did it create this? Source, code, bin. There's no bin. Lib? No, what the fuck? Scripts. Activate, there we go. Okay. Pip install requirements. So you're trying to create a model that generates code? No. We're using Claude Sonnet 3.5, the best coding model that exists publicly. And we're using a tool called Claude Engineer off GitHub, which has auto mode for autonomous task completion. And it should be able to do all the things a software engineer would do to debug, such as running commands, editing files, running the command again, editing the file again. That is the plan. Let's see if it works this time. Whoops. Shit. Okay, no, I think we're good. Alright, so I'm giving it the prompt to, I say, go to this project and run yarn test to see if the tests pass. If not, fix all the issues until the tests pass. Boom. Please work. I'm gonna make this bigger. Apologies to the Insta fam. If you want to see this full screen Instagram fam, please come on YouTube. So AI troubleshooting, yeah, pretty much. Okay, what happened? Oh, I forgot to put it on auto mode. Oh no, it still has an issue with the Python environment. But okay, I'm not sure what the issue is now. We've definitely ran the virtual environment this time too. Mm. I'm not sure. We're definitely in the virtual environment.
Thank you, my friend.
Habibs, thanks for the follow. I don't know. I'm not really sure about like a clear way to debug this. You always open Dutch projects in PyCharm. Nice. I don't use PyCharm. Works better in ends with conda. Yeah, that does sound pretty nice, to be honest. I normally end with conda as well, but there's tutorials suggested. venv. So that's why. Yeah, I think my point stands. Like, it's a pretty early, like, this hasn't been around for very long. Like, when was the first commit for this? Like 3 months ago. It's actually a bit longer than I expected, but yeah. I mean, I think there's a lot of ways for this to improve. I was kind of hoping it would work out of the box. I definitely think it's way more expensive than I would like as well. Like that previous auto mode thing we did cost, I can't see it, it cost 20 cents. No, 40 cents. Or, wait, what was it? Yeah, 40 cents. So yeah, just a bit too much for me. Let's see if we can see our usage in the Anthropic console. But yeah, I think maybe next stream I will have a look. Is there a way to see usage? Usage. I'll have a look at scripting Aether. I think that would be cool. Oh, it only shows you by token. Yo, Fluffy, what's up? Hit me with your question because we're probably about to end stream pretty soon. So thank you guys so much for joining, everyone on Instagram. This was the first Instagram stream in a long time. So yeah, it was pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, we're gonna be heading off.
Thanks
pretty soon. Thank you, Camille. What's the possible reason for the no module find and error in a Python code? The no module is you need to pip install a module normally. You've already installed PyTesseract. You might be in a different environment or something, I'm not sure. Is it just me or does it feel like GPT-4o is getting more like 3.5? Well, it's definitely faster and cheaper like 3.5. Yeah. Oh, thanks for the gifts, admin. Appreciate you. Joshua Thomas, thank you.
Like it feels dumber.
It feels dumber. People say that. Honestly, like I think it's like people get really impressed by these tools when they first try them, and then they expect more out of them, and then they're not able to do as well as they did before. But then there's other theories like apparently August is like a month where people are most lazy, so like these AIs kind of picked up on that and they become lazy in August. I don't know how legit that is. Dash, thank you so much, Mr. Dash, for all the comments on what do you call it? Instagram. I enjoyed this. Nick Humph, hello. AI generated GPT-5, I don't know. I don't like to speculate on stuff I don't have solid evidence on, so I've kind of just been ignoring all the strawberry GPT-5 news. And I'll talk about it once it's public, probably. Thank you, Belit. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And hopefully we'll see you around next stream. Peace out. Whoop. Whoop. Wait, I don't have a goodbye screen. I normally have a goodbye screen.
Thanks. Smiley face.
Thank you guys. And goodbye.